Okay, this is Mr. Raven. Yeah, we're feeding him bananas. And I want you, he's getting mad because I'm not feeding him any. I know. Are you ready? Oh, goodness. Is that, oh, you spit that whole bite out. Here you go. Here, it's right here. Oh, I know it's yummy. I know it's so yummy. Raven, you want to flirt with the girls? Say hi, girls. Hi, girls. Hi. You're so silly. Here, it's right here. Here. You spit it all out, silly head.